Welcome guys, cooking episode with Julian and Ethan. Ethan, say hi.
G'day.
Perfect. Alright, first you guys want to turn it on. Make it get both pans, get it nice and hot. See that? Beautiful. Isn't that right, Ethan?
Good work, Julian. You did great.
Thank you. So when you're cooking guys, you want the pan nice and hot. Mine's cold. You want to throw the rubbish in the bin, clean up after yourself. Look at that little drizzle. Woo! A little bit of salt and pepper doesn't hurt. I don't know how I'm going to film this, but I can't twist it. You know what? I'll set down the camera. Yeah, so this is